The following portion of Live at 9 is sponsored by Hospice of Hope, LLC, and joining me today is their president, Pat Sherman. Pat, I am very honored to have you here with me today. Thank you.
Thank you for allowing me to be here in this opportunity.
Well, tell me how you started Hospice of Hope.
Because I wanted to be able to provide in our community the care that I feel that each patient needs. One being having quality of life and also good quality of care.
Wow, and what makes Hospice of Hope different?
Well, several things. Hospice of Hope focuses on the whole circle of care, the physical, the emotional, and the spiritual care.
Wow, and what makes Hospice of Hope different?
Well, several things. We are CHAPS accredited, which holds us to a higher standard of care. It is also accredited by the National Institute of the Jewish Hospice. It's not just the Jewish that we take care of. We take care of all patients regardless of their culture or their background.
As a woman in business, what challenges have you faced? And then what advice would you give to other women starting a business?
I've had many, many challenges, but I kept focused on my vision, my mission, and what it was that I needed to do for the community. To be successful, I believe that you have to believe in yourself. But most important for me is my faith and prayer, and also know that God is with me at all times. The most important part is that you got to remember your vision, your mission, and what it is that you're wanting to do. And you surround yourself with people who are going to encourage you and support you. And as these challenges come about, if you stand your ground, you'll be able to move through.
Incredible advice. And what is next for Hospice of Hope?
Well, presently, we have been doing a palliative care program, and I'm very pleased with it. It's a time when patients and family members, they're just not ready for hospice. But this program allows the family members to make choices. It allows us to support them, continue visiting with their doctors, continue their treatment, and working with our nurse practitioner. And when the time comes that they do have to go into hospice, they're ready.
Well, Pat, what is the best way to reach out to you guys?
Call the office, tell someone you want to learn more about hospice.
Well, Pat, this is a very important conversation that I know a lot of people need to hear about. So thank you so much for being with us and helping to guide us through just a very difficult discussion that has to be talked about. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
And the preceding portion of Live at 9 was sponsored by Hospice of Hope, LLC.